Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to exit safe mode on the Vivo Y21. Safe mode is a feature that helps you troubleshoot problems on your phone by disabling third-party apps. But sometimes, your Vivo Y21 might get stuck in safe mode and you want to go back to normal mode. First, check the screen. If you see safe mode at the bottom, that means your phone is currently in safe mode. To exit, simply restart your Vivo Y21. Hold the power button, then tap Restart. If Restart doesn't work, power off your phone completely, then turn it back on. After rebooting, the safe mode text should disappear and your phone will return to normal. If your phone still keeps entering safe mode automatically, it might be because of stuck buttons or software issues. Make sure the volume buttons aren't pressed down and update your system if needed. That's it! You've successfully exited safe mode on your Vivo Y21. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more smartphone tips and tricks.